Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Dodge Journey RT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the granite clear coat and it looks awesome. I love the gray color. It does have the chrome accents up front with the Dodge logo right there. Now it does come with halogen quad headlamps over here, and you do have the fog lights right there. Now around the side here we do have 19-inch tire or rims here. And the tires still have a ton of tread left on them. Look at those guys, they look fantastic. Now it does come with heated exterior mirrors here in the granite as well. They look good, and it'll help you get going a little bit quicker now that it's winter. Back here you do have the Dodge Journey logo right there. The Dodge logo there and the RT over there. Now as long as it is unlocked, we can just pull this guy. Just like that, we can get into the back. Now there's some room back here as well. You can lift this guy up right here, and there's some more room in there. Now you can also pull these and push them forward, and then you do have even more room. If you didn't need all the people in there, then you got even more, and it'll lay flat like that. You do got an emergency flashlight here if you do ever need it. Handy to have. Hopefully you don't need it, but if you did, it's better to have it than to not, right? Has these handy dandy little handles here. You can pull it back up just like this, and you are good to go. Now let's jump onto the inside here. So we got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and then 2 presses to do the remote start, which is super nice. It'll get nice and warm in the winter for you. It can start up those heated seats and whatnot, and then you'll be nice and toasty when you jump in your vehicle. Now it does also have the proximity keyless entry, so if it's locked and you have your key on your person, you put your hand in the door, it will open up for you. Now on the door here we do have electric mirrors, locks, and windows all right there. Plus you do have a chrome accented handle there, bit of storage here, bit more down here. You do have the electronic seat, so back and forward, and this one is your lumbar support there. Now this guy here is for your lights, so you have auto, off, daytime running lights, and your low beams, and then you can press it in for your fog lights, and that is your in-cabin lights. That guy there is for your windshield wipers, as well as your turning signal and your high beams. I got the keys in my pocket, so all we gotta do is foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Let's turn that down a little bit. Now, in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our gas gauge and our oil temperature. Now, you can change all that stuff from your vehicle speed to, you got your fuel economy, you got trip info, you got your tire PSI, you have, you got messages, you got vehicle info, you can turn the menu off if it's too bright, and you got your fuel economy. All that stuff is controlled from right here, right from your steering wheel, so you don't have to take your hands off it. You got voice recognition and your call out button. You have your horn in the middle, and then you do also have your your cruise control. On the back end of the steering wheel right here, you do have a volume up and down, which is super nice. It fits very comfortably in your hand, like where your fingers sit. And then you also got a source changer right there. In the center here, you do have a 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. So you do have AM and FM and Sirius XM, and it does come with a year of Sirius XM when you do purchase the vehicle. You got a media player for a disc or whatnot in there. Then you also have your options over your controls, so heated seat, steering wheel, screen on and off, heated seats for your passenger and your outlet. You also got your climate, you can change all that in there. Your phone options there if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and then you also got your more options, so your rear entertainment and your settings. Down here you do have your hazard lights, your AC, your circulation, your front and rear defrost, and your traction control. You got your volume up and down here. You have your heat up and down. It is dual climate, so you and your passenger can have separate climate if you did want it different. You have off, auto, and then you do have your browser over there. This guy's an SD card slot and a slot for a CD or a DVD. And then in there you do have a plug-in. Plus right here, you do also have your cup holders. And this guy is your gear shift, and you can shift it into reverse. And then you have the backup camera there. Over here you do have your armrest, which does double as a storage container, just like that. You can go into there and you can get your stuff. You got your aux cord, your USB, and another plug-in in there. All very nice to have. You do have a locking glove box over here, and it is very nice to have a locking glove box because if someone did break in, which I hope they never do, you could have it locked up and it won't be an issue. Up top here you do have controls over your sunroof, and then you do have a sunglass holder, and you do also have a little mirror there and some lights here. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now you do have control over their own windows, of course. A little bit of chrome accenting there, a little bit of storage here, and a little bit more down here. Now they do have a lot of room here as well. They do have the plugins for some, like a game system or something, and you could plug it in right there, and you got those different guys all over the place. Super handy to have. You do have that 9-inch DVD player, or screen up here, sorry. Just like that, and that folds down, and you can look at things through there. Super nice. Plus, they do have control over their own climate. Always nice to have. You can also fold this forward, just like that, and get into the back there, and they do have their own cup holders, and it all is leather. Very nice. Plus you can fold this guy down and they have their own cup holders there as well. And there we got our 3.6 V6 engine, and it looks great in there. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2014 Dodge Journey. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.